Do you know how many hurricanes and storms that old tree's taken? Look how it's beat up and gnarled. Look at one right there. I want you to come around. Look at these. These trees.
Stop. Your finger was...
Yes, they've been beat up by a lot of storms, people. But they're still standing. You can tell by now, trees fascinate me. Especially the ones that look like that. These trees. I mean, as far as you can see, they call this the Scenic Boulevard. It's up on the ridge off the Gulf. And look at it. We've been coming through these trees for the last 30 minutes. It's beautiful. Yeah. They call this the Scenic Boulevard. Can you believe these oak trees? I've seen some that just absolutely blow your mind. And I hate to keep recording trees, but they're so unusual. Man thinks they made bonsai. Look at that, people. Nature did that. That oak tree is beautiful. Look at it. And if that's not a perfect bonsai, I'll pay for line. Wait till you see the lower right branches on that baby. Look at it. Now that is a bonsai. Nature made that. I don't think a man in the world could match it. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, people. I've made videos on yachts and all that. In Bay St. Louis, those big fine yachts. Some of them cost, I'm sure, into the millions. But I want to show you now where the money's made. That's the working boys, baby. And I guarantee you, right now, I'm in Long Beach, Mississippi. And I would guarantee you that, I'm in Paris, Christiana. I will guarantee you half of these boats out of Morgan City, Duroc, all up and down the Gulf Coast in Louisiana. A lot of them are for sure. Hear the train in the background? It looks like the last time he came through here, somebody jacked a hot caboose. Because the train's going and that's parked. But it looks like a nice little restaurant. It looks really good. Juicy caboose. They come in here to buy fuel, to rest, to repair their boats, whatever they need. But I'm an old iron working rigger. I used to rig heavy lifts and all. Look at those snatch blocks. All those cables. Lord have mercy. You would have to have a little experience. Look at the boards right there. They drop those overboard, those big heavy boards. It pulls them nets open, or their trawl. They're gonna laugh at me for terminology, but anyway, they opened up the trawls, and that's what it pulls the shrimp in. They've got a big mouth on the trawl. But look at the rigging. Now I'm gonna show you the most important part of this. Well, not important, but the most baffling part. Just a point in question. Look right there. There's 5, 1, 2, 3, there's 6, 7 snatch blocks right there in one spot. See them? Each one of them has a job, and you better know what the job is. You lose a finger. Look down there. Oh, as you can see. I mean, they lined up. Now, I don't want to get too close and personal, but you know how it is. Get off work, having a day off to relax, drink a few beers, you know. Can't lose them all. The old Spanish Trail heritage. Yeah, this is where they came through, people, right along the Gulf. And you can tell, they all had their religion. And I don't know how old this church is. I'm sure it's on there somewhere, but I don't see it. I don't think the church is that old. The oldest date I see on that sign right there is 1924. But Could you imagine coming through here with a heavy heart back in the day and see that and come walking out that door right there? And now go back 100 years. All that trash you see out there, trucks, pile drivers, and stuff would not be there. You'd be looking at the Gulf of Mexico. That would take the load off of you, make you feel better.